Welcome back to Financial Pro, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today, I want to talk about automated self-driving forklifts. Now, this is a multi-million dollar industry, especially in all of these warehouses dealing with shortages of workers. They are going to replace humans soon. So, all you thinking you're going to make a lot of money in forklift driving, one day they're going to replace you, and we need to be ahead of the curve with innovating, reinventing ourselves. So if you do not reinvent yourself, you could lose out. Multi streams of income is what it's all about with this channel. So Fetch's latest warehouse robot is designed to replace forklifts, and this is not the only company doing this. You've got Amazon, who is big on automation. Toyota will replace a lot of people in these warehouses as well, with their technology. So this is a San Jose-based robotics company. Fetch unveiled its latest robot this morning, and this is from a couple months ago, this year. So like I said, this isn't the only company, but we need to be aware of these things so we can plan ahead for our life and our kids' future. Because when our kids grow up, if they're young now, they're going to see nothing but robots in these companies. So they need to plan ahead, be the one to work on these robots, be the one to do like plumbing trade jobs, because you'll never be able to replace a plumber, electrician, things like that with all robots. If you guys work on these, please comment below. And I have a friend who's actually told me that they have replaced 30 humans at least with 15 robots. So it's happening, and it's not being broadcasted, but I want this channel to research, share the news, so we can plan for the future, because this is the future, whether you believe it or not. They're working on this because they'll make millions of dollars and save millions of dollars because of all the accidents and insurance claims and things like that they don't have to pay with robots. Per OSHA, forklifts cause about 85 fatal accidents per year, which per year 34,900 accidents result in serious injury, and 61,800 are classified as non-serious. That's a pretty big source of workplace accidents, and that is a major reason to replace you and I with robots that won't get hurt, won't file claims, won't call out sick, such and such, will never be late unless it breaks down, which probably won't be that often, because we're talking about multi-hundreds of dollars and multi-million dollars of one technology, but making them that money back over the long run. So that's the main reason that they're going automated. And of course they can't find a lot of workers, because workers are saying that they don't want to pay, job conditions, things like that. And it's a lot of people making money from home now. It's a lot of gig workers. So the system was developed with Honeywell integrated momentum warehouse software. Fetch, of course, already offers a number of different warehouse robotics solutions. Building out of a kind of autonomous ecosystem, the company's systems are notable for their relative flexibility. So not only can we learn from this, we can have ideas of our own with these. When I share these videos, you might create your own robot one day. You might create your own business, automated business, burger flipping robots, or wherever the case may be. These ideas can turn into great entrepreneurship businesses. There's plenty of articles on this. They've been doing this for years, working on this for years. They have even cherry picker robots. You guys thinking you're safe in cherry picking? Not gonna happen. One day you're out of there. Operating a forklift is the most dangerous thing in a warehouse, because things can fall on top of you, or that forklift can flip over, or you can even hit somebody who's not paying attention. Let's see. Union City, California startup Third Wave Automation believes it cracked the problem, though, and is helping to create the self-driving forklifts to prove it. Using expertise in fields ranging from robotics to computer vision, forklift driving is dangerous. It's a dangerous job, and OSHA has already said this as well. The human factor. Let's see. Food delivery robots. We have food delivery robots. If you don't already know about that, there are an estimated 850,000 forklifts in the United States, and it's growing. And it's a growing market, $13 billion by 2025. With the tech-savvy retail giants like Amazon using robotic companies, it could think help further. They're going to make their money back regardless. It's over with. There are likely well over 1 million forklift operators worldwide whose jobs will be put at risk by fully automated solutions. So this is not just going to happen in America. This is going to happen worldwide as soon as this technology and these robots take effect 100%. So this is why you need to plan now. If they have 5 years to do this, you need to start planning as soon as possible, because especially if you drive a forklift. But what does it mean for humans? The demand for forklift operators continue to rise in manufacturing. Let's see. When are they trying? I'm trying to get a date on exactly, because they always know. They always know. They always plan for this. You have a lot of these companies in Sweden, especially dealing with self-automated systems. This is going to be crazy, man. We living in crazy times, but it's going to be amazing, because not only will they replace humans, this could create another opportunity for us to have better pay and learn something new. Who knows? Trying to figure out. And like I said, guys, comment below if you already work on these automated systems. You have the artificial intelligence, the automation. 5G technology will help out a lot when it comes to this. IoT networks, fuel technology. This is what it's all about, and that's why I want you guys to know that self-driving, self-automated forklifts, it's coming. It's coming. So get ready. Tell me what you think about that. And if you are already working in a warehouse with these systems in place, how is it so far? And thank you guys for being here. See you next time.